Charleston has an incredibly amount of history and culture to offer, as well as cuisine. In many ways, we're very much like a European country or city in what we have to offer with the historical buildings.
Sweet seducing signs, get me out into the nighttime, for words won't hold me tonight. If this time is just an apple, then let me take.
We offer so much rich history, food, culture. It's really for anybody, no matter what your interests are. When you come to Charleston, you should definitely stay at one of our 4 properties, offering you a unique and rich, deep connection to the city and to our staff and our property. We look forward to having you at one of our properties one day.
Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that light, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why.
Hi, I'm Michelle Woodhull. I'm the president of Charming Inns of Charleston.
Wentworth Mansion was built in 1886. It's 21 rooms, over 15,000 square feet of space. So this is our parlor area, or what you might consider a living room in a home. Nice and cool outside, we have the fireplace lit, and it really is just a lovely place. If you look behind you, you can see the beautiful Tiffany glass that's original to the building. This is Mr. Rogers' library.
Lost inside a terrible illusion, and I cannot hide. I'm the one you're using, please don't push me aside. We go making cruising, yeah. Love is so confusing, there's no peace of mind.
At the top floor, getting ready to go up this spiral staircase to our cupola, which is effectively a lookout, a 360-degree view of Charleston.
Sorry is easily said. Don't try turning tables instead. You've taken lots of chances before, and I ain't gonna give any more. Don't ask me, that's how it goes, 'cause part of me knows what you're thinking. Don't say words you're gonna regret. Don't let fire rush to your head.
I tell people when it comes to our cuisine and what we're doing here, we're trying to push it to the edge, but not over. We try to use some ingredients that we can find around town, that grits or the rice grits, or just Carolina gold rice in general, or bene seeds. All these things kind of find their way onto the menu. We try to find whatever produce we can get locally around here too, and then fish that we can find around here, or shrimp, all those things that we can kind of incorporate into our menu.
I am the maker of rules, dealing with fools. I can cheat you blind.
And I don't need to see anymore to know that I can read your mind.
Looking at you,
I can read your mind.
looking at you,
I can read your mind.
looking at you.
I can read your mind. Don't leave false illusions behind.